On this channel, we are looking at various items where we can maximize our potential towards saving and investing for our retirement. And so we're looking at how to trade stocks and stock options on the stock market. And then we are looking at how to trade crypto. And we are looking at how to trade Forex. And we are looking at how to set up e-commerce platforms, putting up drop shipping stores where we bring in products and then begin to sell and make that maximum profit. And then we are looking at how to put all these monies into an investment vehicle where we could have passive income towards our retirement. And so I would ask you to subscribe to the channel, because here we are building a future that will help us retire and retire very well.
Income streams, they start to flow. From determination they grow. Build your world with what you do. Financial freedom just for you.
We are looking at unlocking all the opportunities that are available that we can, build for ourselves, setting up our stores or selling on TikTok, selling on Facebook, investing in the stock market, trading stocks, and then options, to looking at how we can literally take advantage of the online space and create streams of incomes where we can invest for our future. Now, we are looking at how we can put bit by bit investing from these monies that we make doing business online, and then putting them into certain high yield investment options where we could be reaping passive income from those investments. Okay, I want us to look at this. I did my own calculations and I want us to look at it, okay? How we can use the online space to propel our way to retiring very early or retiring very good. Even if you are you have a 9-to-5 day job and your schedule is very tight, we are just looking at using the online space to setting up these platforms. So let's talk about you. Maybe you are trying to trade on the stock market, trading options where you allocate something like 1 hour to trading on the stock market, or you are investing into assets like crypto, and then things like setting up an e-commerce platform, or where you can set up a store that you can be selling products on all the platforms that I have mentioned. That just look at all these platforms as something that you want to raise $1,000 income from all the online businesses that we are going to do, still holding your 9-to-5 day job. Okay, and don't forget about the Amazon affiliate and then influencer program, all the way to unlocking on-site commissions. All these things that we are exploring, we are saying that let's just assume that we can raise $1,000 from all our side hustles a month, and that $1,000 we are going to invest into a place where we could be having passive incomes. Now, if I look at where I am in Ghana, if you look at Ghana, if you're looking at the safest investment vehicle, that is Treasury bill. If you take Treasury bill, generally it ranges between 26 to 28.66 thereabouts. But to be on the safer side, let's just look at this, that okay, we want to use these months that are left to organize ourselves and set up platforms, the platforms that I've already mentioned. And then we want to work so hard to make sure that we are raising $1,000 income from all this, the businesses that we are going to set up, still holding our 9-to-5 day job, right? And we are raising $1,000. In Ghana, the exchange rate is about 15, but I've just used 15 cedis to the dollar. Then that gives us 15,000, where we are going to buy our T-bill. And then so we are just taking 26 as our average rates. So 15,000 we invest into a T-bill, and then we are looking at the end of the year. This is the interest we get, 3,900. We add that to our initial investment to get 18. And then at the end of the year, it means I would have invested 15,000 every month. That gives us 180,000 for the whole year. So the whole year we'll end up having almost 200,000 Ghana cedis. That's 198,900. Right. That is invested into our T-bill towards our retirement, working from side hustles. This money is coming from side hustles. Okay. Now we look at the second year, that is 2026, and the cycle goes the same. Let me do some correction here. Okay. So we are still adding we are still adding the how do you call it, the $1,000 to our investment. Every month we raise it, we add $1,000. If we get more than $1,000, we can keep the rest, but you know, our target is to put $1,000 into our T-bill account. Now look at the figures here. So the first year, this is what we have, 198,900. Second year, that is 2026. Third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year. And my target is at least we should make this consistently for 6 years. Okay, so on the 6th year, this is what we have. Our total, the end of the 6th year, our total comes to 2,137,996.97 cedis. Right, that is on the 6th year. Now look at this. If you take the 6 year interest, okay, so this is the end of the 6th year. Now we are getting an interest. This is the interest that we get. Okay, 555. So this is 555 here. Okay, this is 555 here. Let's even assume that we want to do this for the next 6 years. Maybe some people may be thinking, oh, how can I invest? When will 10 years come? So we are looking at 6 years, but work hard to be able to gather at least $1,000 from the places that we are setting up as side hustles every month. And then look at it. So you have an interest of 555,876, and then you divide that by 12, and at the end of the month you could choose that, okay, you plan to do this to retire, so at the end of the month they should send the interest to your account whilst the principal goes on. So you will have 46,323.05 paid as passive income now into your account. You see the calculations here. So retiring early and retiring good is not that difficult. But I always said that the thing is that we just have to start. If we start, we will get there. But when we don't start, that is where we have the problem. Now we want to look at the second thing. And the second option is to look at the stock market. This is our $1,000 that we are investing into. You could look at the S&P 500, and then also decide to invest some into individual stocks. And we know that with individual stocks, for instance, if you take Apple returned more than 200% in the past year, right? So supposing you were investing 12,000 into Apple, that would have been like 36,000. But let's go the normal way, okay? So we are looking at 2025, investing our $1,000 at the year we invest $12,000, we come to $13,000, and then we go 2026, 27, 28, 29. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 year. Okay, this is our 6th year, and then now our interest becomes 37. This is it. Okay, so the 37 divided by 12 gives us $3,000. That is passive income that we have. Can we retire from this? Let me multiply this by the Ghana rates because I'm in Ghana, and let's see how that comes up to. And then we have again 46,323.05, exactly the same as we invested in the CDs. You got it. I started my trading journey all the way 2022, and we are now in 2024, and I have learned how to trade all these items that I have mentioned. And then I have decided to set up this channel to teach people and to show people how to basically use the online space as a vehicle to building streams of income towards retirement. And I would want to ask that if you are here and then you are thinking that age is already advanced, and maybe somehow you are thinking you are late in the investment space, no, stay put, because you are never late. Because the strategies and the platforms that we are exploring, if we are able to bring income from here and bring income from there, you are trading stocks and you are making income, you are trading Forex and crypto on MT5, as well as buying some of them on crypto exchanges, and then you set up e-commerce platforms where you are selling products. And today we talk about TikTok shops, we talk about Facebook marketplaces, and we talk about selling on YouTube, and we talk about, having a storefront in front of Amazon where you are exposed to a large marketplace that you can be gathering all these streams of income towards investing, and then, towards retiring, and retiring early or retiring good. So it is a channel that you would want to subscribe to. Don't miss out. Hit the notification bell so that you are not left out when we unroll any strategy that is a vehicle to making an extra income. You will be notified. Right. Until we meet on the next video, I will ask those who have always been here, returning viewers, to continue to like and then to continue to comment. And I said those who are new, don't miss the opportunity. You would like to subscribe and you would like to hit the notification bell for further videos. Right. Until we meet on our next video, I wish you the blessings of God. Bye.
Start today. Learn to hustle, find a way. Brick by brick you build it right, from the morning through the night. Dreams are growing step by step, every fall a future pep. No experience, just a heart, that's the way you got to start.